Today an unboxing of this Tesla Cable Organizer 2.0 from Tesla's online store. I ordered this and the day it came out, and it took about, I think, 5 days to make its way across the country from California to here in Connecticut. And the box is rather assuming, and I'm going to show you what it is for very shortly. I think the name is pretty self-evident. It's for organizing your cable, right? Let's get into the box here. Oh, I'll also mention some shipping stuff here. It actually came from Lathrop, California, wherever that is. Here we go. I have not seen any pictures here, but yeah, the timing was amazing. I'm in the middle of kind of fixing my wall mount in the garage. I'm actually going to go with a kind of vertical config. I'll show that this can be mounted either way, supposedly. And I was actually more keen on this than this. Lots of people have, you know, eBay and Amazon 3D printed versions of this cup. I might be able to make use of this hanging hook as well. So let's have a look at how this would work with the mobile connector kit Gen 2 that came with my wife's 2020 Model 3 Standard Range Plus. So first, this feels like very good quality, looks nice, very rigid plastic, very little give. It's pretty thick. Recessed here for a countersunk is the word I'm looking for. There you go. And now let's have a look at this. Oh, okay, two-piece, makes sense. Fasten this to the wall, right there with those two screw holes. And then cover it up with this. Get that right. That's weird doing stuff on camera, sorry. There you go. It also looks very nice with the Tesla logo. Okay, so let's have a look at what this actually looks like on this mobile connector that I have nearby. So let's see if they have it pictured both ways. They do not, but on the website they do. They picture the cup like this, which looks rather natural. Now in my case, I've got an EMA 1450 hanging off here, the beefy, like, dryer looking cord. And the device is actually hanging upside down on my wall. So I'm hoping the cup can work like this. And the answer is yes. Very nice. So they managed to make a cup that handles taking the strain off of this, and actually it looks like there's a block on there. So let's give it a try. Okay. Yes, that cable is not going to come unseated over the years. Mounted to my garage wall. So this seems to fit the bill perfectly for what I was hoping for. But you can also mount it this way, where it's just holding the weight of the device. Whoa! Holding the weight of the charger block here, so that the strain is not on the outlet where the device is plugged in. You get the idea, right? So let's go back to looking at how it's mounted and wrap this video up. Okay, one screw, one adjustable to get it tilted right, so I like that. And looks like I missed some parts in this box to show you. And there you go. For drywall, you're going to use the yellow parts. For me, I'm going right into wood. I much prefer avoiding drywall for this. You'd want to use probably better anchor bolts, maybe thicker ones. I guess you wouldn't get them in there if you had thicker ones. They're even showing a bubble level. All right, very straightforward. Probably be doing a separate video to cover installing these parts and how it looks hanging on my wall. Thank you for watching and for visiting TinkerTry.com/Tesla, where I have many articles about Tesla. And if you want to see my series of Tesla videos, that would be bit.ly, so bit.ly/TeslaVids, VIDS. As soon as I stopped recording, I noticed one more thing as I went to put the parts into the box. Thank you for accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. Nice touch.